Hi there, welcome to video number 3 in our 12 steps to becoming a mailbox power genius video series. Today I just wanted to do a quick run through of how to run the setup wizard and some tips and tricks for best practices. So I'll go ahead and share my screen. As you know, when you log in, this is the page you're going to be taken to. And I want you to click this little plus button right here. It's going to run the setup wizard. Chances are when you created your account, you went through this process already. If not, or if you want to verify everything, then feel free to go through it again. There is no problem in doing so. So I'm just going to put, this is the address that you want to appear on your return address on all of the envelopes that get sent out. You can change the company name, you can change, the address. You can also do that in your back office. I'm going to click Save and Continue. This is to set up the mailer meter. So our system works very similar to a Starbucks card, meaning when I have $50 on my meter, whenever I send out cards and gifts, the system pulls the funds from my mailer meter, and then when this hits 0, it resets to $50. And you can see I can change this anywhere from $10 up to $1,000. It makes zero difference what amount you charge. Just bear in mind, every time you recharge this, you will get an email. So there are some people, I keep mine at $50. I like to keep a pretty tight watch on how much I'm spending. I have people on my team, they have it set at 1,000 because they don't want those emails. I have other people, they have it set at 10. And as I said, there is no difference. Whatever amount works best for you is the best amount to pick here. So we'll just click Save and Continue. Next, it's going to ask you to verify your cell number. So I'm going to put my cell number in here, and it's going to send me a verification code. All I have to do, this is a very straightforward verification process that I'm sure you are all familiar with. The reason that you want to do this is because one of the ways that you can share and send campaigns is with your phone using the I Need Your Mailbox technology, which is one of the most powerful technologies that we have, and as far as I know, we are the only people on the planet who have it. It's also going to be how your system communicates with you whenever somebody fills out your I Need Your Mailbox link, or if you have people who create an account with your referral code, that's how they will let you know as well. So you want to make sure that you verify your cell number. And then this is one of the coolest things about our system. If you don't want to watch the rest of the videos, that is totally fine. You can just go ahead, pick a category. We have general business, insurance, network marketing, or real estate. I'm going to use real estate, obviously, for this series of videos. And you can see you can go ahead and just click on Add to Your Account. This is going to set up the campaign automatically. Then you can just share that link, and you're off and running. You don't need to worry about creating your own campaigns. You don't need to worry about getting too much in the weeds. Also, it sets everything up for you, and so you can hit the ground running. If, however, you do want to set up your own campaigns, if you're interested in doing a just listed, a just sold campaign, if you're interested in doing any kind of monthly reach out to any of your clients, then by all means, click through to the next video in our 12 Steps to Becoming a Mailbox Powered Genius series. Thanks for watching.